Nubia Z50 Ultra with 6.8 inches FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display. Under display camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, up to 16GB RAM announced. Nubia today announced the Nubia Z50 Ultra, the company's latest flagship smartphone in China after the Z50 launch in December. It has a 6.8-inch FHD plus 120Hz FHD plus AMOLED screen, is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The phone has 4212 square millimeters VC cooling and brand new VC segmented bionic design, which improves the heat equalization effect by 4 times. The phone uses the brand's 4th generation off-screen camera technology. The pixel density of the selfie camera area is 400 pixels per inch. It has a UDC Pro Plus chip specially used to power screen display, which can run 1x1 independent pixel drive. The 16 megapixels camera under the display has a composite pixel size of 2.24 micrometers and an f/2.0 aperture. The selfie and video effects are said to be significantly improved over the previous generation. There are triple rear cameras that include a 64 megapixels main camera with custom Sony IMX787 flagship sensor and offers 35mm equivalent portrait focal length. There is a 50MP 14mm ultra-wide camera with macro option, and there is also a 85mm 64 megapixels periscope portrait telephoto camera. The phone comes in AG glass back, and there is a Starlight AG glass model that uses nanoscale photolithographic texture, combined with 3D star diamond technology, to reproduce the strokes of famous oil paintings to the greatest extent. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. Nubia Z50 Ultra specifications: 6.8-inch, 2480 x 1116 pixels, Full HD plus AMOLED 20:9 aspect ratio flexible curved screen with 120Hz refresh rate, 960Hz touch sampling rate, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, 10-bit color depth, up to 1500 nits brightness. Octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm mobile platform with Adreno 740 GPU. 8GB, 12GB, 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, UFS 4.0 storage. Android 13 with MyOS 13. Dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. 64 megapixels primary camera with LED flash, f/1.6 aperture, Sony IMX787 sensor, OIS, 35mm lens, 50MP 116 degrees ultra-wide camera with Samsung JN1 sensor, f/2.2 aperture, 2 cm macro, 50 megapixels periscope telephoto camera with OmniVision OV64B sensor, 8K video recording. 16 megapixels under display front-facing camera with OmniVision OV16E1Q sensor, f/2.0 aperture. In-display fingerprint sensor. USB Type-C audio, dual smart PA, stereo dual speakers, DTS, X Ultra. 5G, dual 4G volt, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C. 5000 mAh, typical, battery with 80W fast charging. Pricing and availability. The Nubia Z50 Ultra comes in black and silver colors and is priced at 3,999 yuan, US $577 per hour. 47,240 approx. For 8GB plus 256GB, 4,299 yuan, US $620 per hour. 50,775 approx. For 12GB plus 256GB, 4,699 yuan, US $678 per hour. 55,500 approx. For 12GB plus 512GB and the top-end 16GB plus 1TB version is priced at 5,999 yuan, US $865 per hour. 70,845 approx. The 12GB plus 512GB Starry Sky collection is priced at 4,999 yuan, US $721 per hour. 59,040 approx. It is now available to order and the phone will go on sale in China from March 14.